Hi everyone. I want to show to you Eurotel today because our regular subscriber asked me to check standard room. He already messaged to me in comment and asking about he want to stay the same room, but he don't know it's a standard room or deluxe room. That's why I will ask now and take a look. This is Eurotel. Rates. Christmas tree. So have also computer. I will ask lobby. Okay, first I will wait. And next I will ask. This is restaurant. Menu. I want to check menu. Okay, already available. Good afternoon. One my friend asking about a room. He want to come back to the Philippines in January this month.
This is our room rate.
Yes, I know rates, but he asking me a room about 608. This is standard room or deluxe room. He said this is he don't know. This is queen bedroom.
Wait, sir. Let me check if the 608 is available.
608, yes. This is rates, you see.
Sir, excuse me. The 608 is not clean right now, sir.
It's not clean, but it's okay. I can check on
It's okay for you?
Yes, or same the room, same. If available, clean room, but the same rates. Good afternoon.
Here?
608, okay, thank you.
Also this one.
Also the same. It's already clean. Not clean.
Yes, sir. It's nice. See, the aircon is nice.
This is aircon noisy.
It's nice, sir.
609. Also available right now. Just need to clean.
Yeah.
My friend stay before here in this room. Also aircon is window type. Have bathtub.
If you want it, so I know.
No, it's enough. This one. It's enough. And this side window of a Tiger Hotel. This is bar. But every rooms the window type aircon. Split system don't have here.
Split type?
Yes, don't have.
We have this split type, but
Safe rooms.
low cooling aircon.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
So split type have room, but limited only.
Yeah.
Which room with split type? You don't know?
Wait. I will show you. Pwede ito kay ka. This one, sir, it's split type.
Ah, this split type, a studio room, split
Yeah.
time, small.
But no key tag here.
Ah, okay. I see already. So studio room have split type.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I also stay in this hotel when first time I arrived Angeles City.
Okay.
13 years ago.
What?
13 years ago.
Ah.
Long time ago. It's my first hotel. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.